So the first one is the value equation, which is very important. Alex suggested it throughout the entire book. It is one of the main factors. So I'm going to read out the four main bits in it, and I'm going to tell you what each of them means in greater detail. So the first one is the dream outcome. So the dream outcome is very simple. If you want a product or a service, that's what you're going to get given. So if it's to lose weight, that's going to be your dream outcome. So why are you going to that service? You want to achieve their dream outcome. Very simple. And then the next one is, what is the likelihood of the achievement? So what most people do is that they show facts or statistics that they've had from the past, or past customers, to say that, look, it did work. So that's one way of doing it. And then, so it's obviously a fraction. So the two that I just said is you have to do it as well as you can. And then the other ones you have to divide it by. It's like obviously a equation. Here's a diagram on the screen right now. And then the next one is the time. So you want to try and give the customer what they want as soon as possible. People do not like it when you fluff around. So if you can give it to them in exactly 30 days. So say if it's lose a certain amount of weight in X days, you want to give it to them in that X amount of days. So just do it as soon as possible. People like it when they can receive things as soon as possible, no fluff around. So when you can guarantee time and speed, people are more likely to pay a lot more for it, rather than a product that's high value that's going to take a lot more time. And then the final one is the effort and scarcity. So people want it and they don't want to feel like, oh no, it's a risk. You want to give them as much reinsurance as you can with your product or service, so they feel safe that you're going to get it to them with the speed and with their dream outcome all coming in all at once with the backed up evidence. That's all it was basically in that one sentence just said, all four factors.